Friends, what if creating a full PowerPoint presentation took minutes instead of hours? Imagine typing just a few words and watching the entire deck build itself. Outline, visuals, design, everything. I am Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're exploring AiPPT, a powerful AI-driven tool that turns your ideas into professional slides instantly. Whether you're a teacher, trainer, or content creator, this platform can completely transform how you prepare your materials and save you hours of work. In this video, we'll build an educational presentation step by step. We'll also test the AI image generator, try different templates, and explore the new dynamic slides feature. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Guys, AiPPT.com is a powerful AI-driven platform that lets you create professional PowerPoint presentations in just a few minutes. Instead of building everything manually, you simply describe what you need, and the intelligence generates it for you. For today's demo, we'll create an educational set of slides for an introductory Python programming lecture. Let's see how it works in practice. Here is the dashboard, folks. Clean, simple, and easy to navigate. For our first project, we'll use Create from Topic. This is the simplest option. You just write your prompt in English and describe the theme. Let me enter the topic Introduction to Python Programming for Beginners to get started. Now let's check the additional settings. We can select the number of slides. We'll keep it at 10 to 15. Folks, just a quick note. AiPPT limits the number of AI-generated slides based on your plan. Free users can generate up to 10 AI-created slides, which is enough for short presentations or simple lessons. The Plus plan increases that limit to 20 slides per project, and the Pro plan goes up to 50 slides. So if you often create longer or more detailed projects, a paid plan may be more practical. The language is English, though many others are available. The tone and audience are general. For the scenario, I'll choose Teaching and Training, since this is a tutor-friendly lecture format. Mates, AiPPT immediately starts generating a mind map for the presentation. I really like this view because it clearly highlights all the key points that will appear. You can edit or download the mind map if needed. Free users can preview and edit the mind map, while Plus and Pro users can download it without watermarks, which is useful for professional purposes. Next, I'll choose a template. The system offers many options, but the ones at the top are usually the most relevant. Now guys, let's take a look at the template library. Here you can see that there are 200,000 designs available, folks. Most of them are AI generated, so if you want more polished ones, you can download them from the site. Just a sneak peek, guys. Once you're in this section, you can search using the suggested keywords and download whatever you like. The cool part is that the layouts be fully edited in PowerPoint. They're all properly licensed, so no copyright worries. And they've been polished by professional designers. Plus, new ones are added all the time, so the library keeps growing. Honestly, with all this, getting the lifetime membership is a pretty sweet deal. There's a huge collection for business, sales, and marketing, and you can search by category or keyword. And here's an important detail, friends. The free plan allows only 2 downloads per day. If you need more for regular or professional use, the paid one offers 20 or even 40 downloads daily, along with additional AI generations and image credits. So I can simply choose any template, download it, and it instantly comes as a PPT file. We can apply it to our project and get a clean, professional-looking presentation with a consistent design style. Let's enhance it with a unique image. AiPPT includes a powerful system for image generation and transformation inside the AI image panel. Here I can either create a brand new image from a prompt or even upload my own photo and let the AI transform it. Mates, I'll upload my picture and ask the system to turn it into a professional portrait in a text-style presentation format. Since our topic is Angular, we need a clean technical illustration. Nano Banana can generate a unique visual for that, so let's create one. And here it is, a great custom image that I can insert into the slide. For example, I could use it instead of a logo, as a visual of the tutor who's presenting the content. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Friends, I want to show you a very powerful feature – AiPPT's ability to integrate with other platforms. In particular, it can import text in Markdown format. Let's use Google Gemini for this example. We'll generate well-structured content and then automatically turn it into a presentation. This is especially useful when you need detailed control over the structure and hierarchy of your material. Let's create it on web development with the new Angular framework. In Google Gemini, I'll enter a prompt asking it to organize the topic into 10 key points in Markdown format. I send the request and it produces a detailed outline. Folks, we get a clean structure – titles, subtitles, bullet points, and even code blocks. Everything is clearly organized. Now I simply copy this Markdown text to my clipboard and paste it into the platform. The headings are marked with hashtags, followed by subheadings and lists, all neatly formatted. I paste it in, click Generate, and AiPPT begins building the presentation. We can review the outline, switch to a visual overview, or download it. Then we choose a template. For Angular, I prefer something clean and minimal, so I'll select this style and press the button Generate. And here are the results, guys. 24 slides with structured content that walks through the topics step by step. Each of them is already formatted, and we can edit, share, or download everything instantly. My friends, now that we've seen both approaches, let's compare the results. Using AiPPT templates is fast and gives a clean, professional look instantly, but the slides are mostly generic and customization is limited. The free plan also restricts daily downloads, which can be a drawback for regular use. On the other hand, generating a presentation from Markdown produces a well-structured, highly accurate set. The AI clearly understands the headings, subheadings, and bullet points, so every slide follows the logical hierarchy of your content. This approach is faster for AI to process, ideal for technical or detailed topics, and gives you full control over the material. In short, templates are convenient for quick visuals, but Markdown ensures clarity, precision, and better overall accuracy. Relying only on layout can feel generic, whereas Markdown lets the AI create a presentation that truly reflects your content. And that's it, folks. In just a few minutes, we created a full presentation and explored some of AiPPT's most useful features. It's a simple tool that can genuinely take a lot of pressure off the creative process and make your workflow faster and more enjoyable. Whether you are preparing lessons, building training materials, or putting together content for clients, it really helps you stay focused on ideas instead of formatting. What's cool is that AiPPT offers a huge library of ready-made designs, so there's plenty to choose from and experiment with. Friends, use my code DanielTech and grab 10% off your membership. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.